So as we can see, we got 3R wins with this very simple strategy. I tried over 20 strategies through the years and this was one of the most profitable. But to prove to you it's really profitable, I also backtested this strategy 100 times, and in the end of the video I will show you the backtesting results on 100 trades. Once you understand this strategy, you will be able to trade profitably and get funded easily, all without any fancy indicators or insanely hard concepts. So let's talk about the strategy. The entry will be the Fibonacci 0.618, the stop loss will be a bit below the higher low or a bit above the lower high, and the take profit will be the Fibonacci minus 0.618. So first of all, we need to identify what trend we are in, because obviously we need to know if we look for buy or sell opportunities, and here we can clearly see that the price is creating higher highs. Here is the higher high, here is the higher low, and here is the higher high. So we will look for buy opportunities only. Let's see what's going to happen. And here I think we can apply the Fibonacci from the higher high to the higher low, and the price almost reached the entry, but not just yet. So let's see if the price will reach the entry or not. We can see that the price created a double top and then it came back to the entry point, so the buy limit got activated. The stop loss will be a bit below the higher low, and the take profit is the Fibonacci minus 0.618, and we'll get this nice 3R every time with this strategy. And also we use buy and sell limits, so if you trade the higher time frames, you can go on your day and put in the trading view advert to the entry point, and you don't even need to look at the charts. You will get into the trade automatically. Let's see what's going to happen. Here we are obviously in more than plus 1R, and after plus 1R we will put the stop loss into break even. So worst case scenario, price will come back and stop us out at break even, but we didn't lose anything, so we either don't lose anything or win plus 3R, and this will help us also to hold the trades until the take profit. So here the first critical point will be this resistance zone, the last higher high. As you can see, the price is even bouncing back from it, so it's not that of a good sign, but we are in break even, so we don't really need to worry about it. The price can either break through this first critical point, a higher high, then maybe retest this new support zone and go to our take profit, or it can straight go to the take profit. Obviously that's the best opportunity, or it can come down to the break even, but we didn't lose anything, so it's still not bad, or bounce back from this resistance zone, then create a new higher high and either go straight to the take profit or retest this very strong support level and then go to the take profit. So let's see what the price is going to do. And now, as you can see, price bounced back from this first critical point and created a higher low. Sorry, not a higher low, it's just a pullback, because this is the legit higher low, because this is the lowest point of the pullback. So it created a pullback and then goes straight to the take profit. So I think we'll reach the take profit very fast. And okay, not just yet, but let's see what's going to happen. We still didn't hit the take profit just yet. We was very close, so it's a bit irritating, but what can we do? But I think here we got into another trade. Here is the higher high and here is the higher low once again, because this is the deepest point of this whole pullback, so that's why we are not using this. So let's see if the price reaches entry. Yes, it did. The stop loss will be a bit below the higher low, and the take profit will be the Fibonacci minus 0.618. So let's see what's going to happen now. Once again, I think we are in break even. Yes, the price reached the plus 1R, so we are risk free on this trade too. We have two risk free trades running, so we can hope for two nice 3R wins. And here, as we can see, the price reached the take profit from the first trade, so this is a 3R win. And now again we can see some kind of hesitation here around this first critical level, the last higher high. So let's see what the price is going to do in this case. Again, a lot of hesitation with this very strong resistance zone, but once the price breaks through it, we can be a bit happy, because that's a very good sign. I mean, that's the sign that the uptrend will continue, so we can hope for that take profit. And here we got into another trade, I think. Yes, we did. So here the price broke through this last higher high, and we have more than two down candles obviously, so this is a legit trade. This is the higher low and this is the higher high, and as you can see, the price reached the entry, the stop loss is a bit below the higher low, and the take profit is almost exactly at the same level from the last trade, and we are in +1 hour from this trade too. Okay, not just yet, but we are very close. So we have this trade running still, and we are pretty close to the take profit. So we can either reach the take profit and get 2-3 hour wins, or I mean from here on obviously we are in break-even on this trade too. So worst case scenario, we get 2 break-evens. But again, we need to look out for this new resistance zone, because if the price will break through this higher high, then the price continues the uptrend and we are very close to these take profits. So then we have a very high chance of hitting the take profit pretty easily. And now we can see the price created another higher high, then created a higher low, then the price, now we can see, broke through this higher high. So now we are really close to the take profits. So I'm very sure that we will hit it in no time, and yes, we did. So as we can see, we got 3-3R wins with this very simple strategy. We had no drawdowns at all. So now let's see the backtesting results on 100 trades. The pair that I used was GBP USD. The time frame was the 5-minute time frame. So we got 36 wins, we got 28 break-evens, and we got 36 losses, which means we had a 50% win rate and 3 risk to reward on average. So overall at 100 trades we made 72R, which means if we take 18 trades in a month, we will make 12.9R per month on average.